I'm going to demonstrate how to navigate Mustang Jobs to help you prepare for an in-person career fair. After logging into Mustang Jobs from your Cal Poly portal, it will take you to this screen. From here, click on Events in the upper part of your screen. Next, under the Type drop-down filter, select Career Fair, then Apply, and then select the career fair you plan to attend. There are important details to be aware of under the Overview tab. Here you can find the date, time, and location of the career fair, as well as if there are any interviews by invitation associated with that particular career fair. Further down, you can see details about possible other events associated with that career fair and how to submit your resume to the opt-in resume book sent to employers and the deadline for doing so. Next, click on the Employers tab to see who is currently registered to attend the career fair. One of the most important things you can do to prepare for a career fair is to narrow down who you want to visit at the career fair and do some research on those employers. Before narrowing down your search using more filters, it's helpful to look at the entire list of employers for ones you're interested in, because some employers don't post their openings and what majors they are seeking until closer to the career fair. Once you've looked at the entire list, you can start applying filters to narrow down your search using more filters. You can look for specific employers attending by typing in the organization name in the search box. Some of the main filters to use here are industry, which day of the career fair they are attending, and majors recruited. Please note, most employers only attend one day of our 2-day career fairs, but there are definitely some employers who will attend both. Next, click on the Jobs tab. Please note that employers are not required to post a job in order to participate in our career fairs. That's why it's important to look at the entire list of employers to look for companies of interest to meet with. In the Jobs tab, you can type in keywords such as company names, the word intern, or specific job titles such as analyst. Next, I'm going to show you a different way to look for jobs associated with our career fairs. Click on the Jobs tab at the top of your screen, then go to the Show Me drop-down menu and select Career Fair Postings. By going in this way, you will see many more filters available to help you narrow down your search, such as position type, industry, and job function. If you click on more filters, you can select ignore jobs with all majors selected. You can select your major under desired majors, and you can select your work authorization. You can also search by keywords or by a number of miles to a specific location. Feel free to click on Create Job Alert to be notified of any additional postings related to your filtered search. It's a great idea to apply to any jobs of interest before attending the career fair. You will first need to upload your resume under your profile in the upper right and select My Documents. Keep checking back periodically for new employers that have registered for the career fair in case there are additional employers who have signed up leading to the career fair. Once you have identified which employers you wish to network with at the career fair, then you can prioritize your list and start researching details about each employer to help you demonstrate interest when you meet with them.